When it comes to high-performance motocross bikes, the Kawasaki KX450 stands out as a true powerhouse. Designed for riders who demand top-tier performance, cutting-edge technology, and superior handling, this bike continues to dominate on tracks worldwide. In this video, we take a closer look at what makes the KX450 a leader in its class. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Kawasaki KX450 is a 449 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, 4-stroke engine. This powerful single-cylinder engine delivers impressive torque and high-end power, giving riders the speed and acceleration needed to stay ahead of the competition. The electronic fuel injection system ensures optimal throttle response, while the lightweight construction enhances overall agility. Chassis and suspension. One of the standout features of the KX450 is its aluminum perimeter frame, which offers a perfect balance between rigidity and flexibility. This ensures better handling, stability, and rider comfort. The show of 49mm coil spring front fork and uni-track rear suspension provide exceptional shock absorption, allowing riders to tackle rough terrains with ease. Advanced features. Kawasaki has equipped the KX450 with advanced technology to enhance the riding experience. The electric start system ensures quick and effortless ignition, while the hydraulic clutch provides a smoother and more consistent feel. Additionally, the launch control mode helps riders get the perfect start in races by reducing wheel spin during acceleration. Ergonomics and ride comfort. Rider comfort is a priority with the KX450. The adjustable handlebar mounts and foot pegs allow customization for different riding styles and body types. The slim design and optimized seat position contribute to better control, making long rides or competitive races more comfortable and efficient. Conclusion. With its powerful engine, advanced suspension, and rider-focused design, the Kawasaki KX450 is built for those who demand the best in motocross performance. Whether you're a professional racer or an enthusiast looking for an adrenaline rush, this bike delivers in every aspect. For more in-depth reviews and expert advice, subscribe to Z Auto Advisor and stay updated on the latest in the automotive world.